Good morning, fellow option traders. This is Jeff, and welcome to the daily scan for Wednesday, September 3rd, 2014. Okay, yesterday's announcements, sort of in line. Nothing real exciting, and the market responded appropriately by not doing much exciting itself. Today we have the ADP employment report at 8:15 and factory orders at 10 and beige book at 2. We have motor vehicle sales up here with really no time, so I don't know exactly when that's going to happen. It may even be out by now. I really don't know. Let's take a look at what is going on across the big pond. So the big news here is that Russia agrees to cease fire in East Ukraine. Sort of. You never know what Russia's doing. We never know what we're doing either here in the U.S. You get these politicians and fighting with the military, and it's just... Anyway, we're more focused on this. These are big numbers, folks, so it's going to be kind of a big pop, I think, in the market today. And in Europe, same thing. Everything well over 1%, almost everything anyway. So that's a pretty good sign for a bullish market today. All right, let's take a look at the futures here in the U.S., and we can see that we're looking like as though we're going to open up with a nice pop this morning. Gold is up $3.10 overnight, and oil is up 76 cents overnight, but still must have dropped quite a bit. Let's just take a look at a chart here and see what happened. Yeah, there's a big pullback yesterday. So today, once trading started on today's candle here, we're trying to come back up a little bit. So actually we were up there around 96 bucks and pulled back. Alrighty, let's see here. Before we get into yesterday, let's get into last month. I finally put everything together here. It was not a very good month. You can see here that August came in at a negative $934. So this is where we stand for the year at $18.55. I got to say that not following my very own rules was my downfall. Here you can see, well, this is Baidu here. Let's take a look at this week with the AUG2 expiration, which is 8/9 is Saturday. This Baidu was a loser. And then came Netflix, and I got really mad with Netflix. I was like, argh. So on 8.7, 8.7, and 8.5, I lost big on this 8.5 trade. I got out on 8.7, and on 8.7 I said, well, I'm going to get even. So I did a bear call, and then I did a bull put, and both of them went south right away. So this was a killer week right here. Did recover a little bit with Russell and SPX, 20 Delta trades. This Netflix 20 Delta went really bad. So, the 20 Deltas, when they go bad, they can hurt. And if you're snoozing, you're losing. So that's pretty much, I would say, what happened to me here. These losses are tolerable, like 107, 200, even 245, but almost $800. That's an owie. So in August we had 10 winners and 10 losers, and year to date we're 68 and 52. And the July, oops, that's not July, that's August. August PL, profit and loss, $934. So that's up on my website if you're interested in downloading it. Okay, so that's that. Now, yesterday entered SPX and RUT trades, and we'll take a look at those as we go through the A+ list. And let's get right into that. And here's Apple not even giving us, not even cracking the door a little bit for us to get in. You can see that this pullback here didn't even get below the low of this last green candle. So it was like a little bit of 2 days of a fake out and then back on its march. So it'll probably be moving up pretty good today too, with the iPhone 6 coming out. Don't see anything new except for the size. It's going to be a little bit bigger. I don't see any reason to upgrade myself because if I have reading glasses that are powerful enough, I don't have a problem reading my iPhone. But they have to be pretty powerful, and some things are pretty small. So anyway, here's Apple. No opportunity for entry. Amazon. Looks like as though we might, what happened here yesterday? I think when I looked at it in the morning, it wasn't doing anything. It was on our list for yesterday. I just had to reach over here to take a look at my notes. Amazon was on the list for yesterday. This is alertable now. So we're going to throw an alert on here. Let me write it down first. Man, we haven't had an alert in so long. I'm sure it's going to trigger today too, with looking at the way that the futures are. So we want an alert above the high, so we right click on this chart and go down to alert, and we want the last trade, or the price of the last trade. So that'll be at or above 342.76, and we just click create, and there she is. Oh, wow, that feels so good to finally have an alertable trade. Okay, Baidu. Wow. It filled up the whole channel yesterday. Holy cats and jammer. Did I have them on the list yesterday? No, they weren't even on the list yesterday. Unfortunately, it's not alertable or anything. It is 1H of a move. So now we're going to have to wait here. We will put a target in here. I'm sure we're going to get a nice swing back up here on the 20. So now we're back in business on Baidu finally. Finally. Let's get some of these older drawings off of here. I could swear that I've taken these off before, but oh well, who knows. Alright, so that's it for Baidu. I think they got some good news in the world of competition over in China or something like that yesterday. Chipotle still not doing anything. I want to put a channel in here. What are we looking at here for a channel? Oh, that's a good question. We could just use the open and close values. What happened here? I thought I had the channel over here. Could just use the open and close here. If I could get this thing to draw. There. That doesn't look very good, does it? Let's, oops. I didn't want to do that. I wanted to activate it. Okay, so if we go up there, we'll forget about this one. I think that was some sort of anomaly. So we have a channel like this. Now we can say, well, we could trade the channel. So when price comes down here, we could do a bull put, and price comes up here, we could do a bear call, and sort of maybe make it an iron condor or condorize it problem is which expiration do you pick and how long is it going to take it to get to the top and bottom of these ranges. But I thought it would be interesting just to throw a channel in here and see what it's doing. But there's nothing tradable at this moment. Costco, yeah, we had what could be considered a missed opportunity here yesterday. Were they on my list? Yes, they were. They were in setup mode. So now they are alertable. Oh, joy, joy, joy. Another alert. So we want an alert above this high. And we won't trade any of these before 10 a.m. even if the alert goes off before that. You just want to make sure that it really is going to stay up there. Alright, let's take a peek at the Dow. Dow really was struggling yesterday, as pretty much was the whole market. Gold, what kind of goofiness are we seeing here? Wow. There's some real goofiness here. Alright. It's just way too choppy. I like to see things a little bit more orderly. Okay, Google. Google was on my 20 delta list, which it still could do. I'm just not really sure which way this is going. So, I'm just going to wait. I'm going to wait for a 50 delta. LinkedIn. As long as the market's moving like this, let's do some more 50 deltas. Don't know what to do there. Not really showing me anything. NDX didn't come down and give us an entry. We have to move this over a tad. There. Okay. Netflix. Anything going there? This could be alertable. We need price movement above here though. So we're going to throw one in there, an alert. And wait and see what happens. Price line. Oh yeah. This is alertable as well. Wow. I'm so excited. You just cannot believe how excited I am. Alright, Russell, let's show you what we did here. We did a 1155 bull put on this. Based off of this nice little hook here, got down below 50%. We like that, so we're happy there. SPX, same thing. We almost got down to 50%. So close that, as a matter of fact, it might even be there. No, it's 52.9, so it got down to 53%. Below 50 would have been more preferable, but what was that word I just said? Preferable? Would have been more preferable, but we're good here. And then we have this little bet at the 2000 level. Okay, Tesla. Huge gap up, not giving us any opportunity to get in. And last but not least is Visa, and we have a 20 delta on this. looks a lot like Google, doesn't it? I'll put it down on my list, but I'm a little hesitant about it. I think with these alerts, we'll have plenty for today. And actually, today is Wednesday. It's like the perfect trading day for 50 deltas that expire this Friday. So I'm looking forward to today. It should be a lot of fun. All right, that's it for the daily scan and the weekly results and the monthly results. I don't have anything else to say at this time. All right, thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day and happy trading.